we're gonna raffle off this knife today, and we're gonna do it through the comments in the video section. So the criteria was you had to subscribe and comment, and now we will go to a random number generator, and then that number will be the comment that we will choose as the winner of this fantastic kitchen knife forged from a vintage car leaf spring.
What was it? A Holden FJ?
FJ Holden, yeah, an Australian car.
Okay.
The number is 8.
8.
Alright, so
Username Hoskin Ben.
Hoskin Ben, you are gonna get this knife posted to you in Australia Post, and you will enjoy this knife in your kitchen.
If you could contact us, that'd be great.
Yep.
We can get your details.
Yep.
And we can then send it out very shortly.
That's right. So yep, just we will contact you, or you can contact us if you're watching, and we will send this knife out to you. Thank you. Subscribe.